tackling in this particular video is the reporting function and how best to approach it internally as a member of Gloucestershire County Council. The main focus here will be showing you how to use the transaction reports to find out who has purchased your particular service. Transaction reports are the easiest way to quickly access all information about the purchases schools have made from your service. It all offers a wide variety of data manipulation tools if you want to investigate more specific information. To get there, we'll need to start from the GCCPlus homepage. From there, you'll need to open the Services tab along the top of the screen. When you're on the Services page, you'll see a list of all the reporting tools that you'll have at your disposal. One of the most frequently used of these tools will be Latest Transactions, which will be option 3 in the Customer Activity column on the far left of the screen. This will load up the report generating tool. Using the filters, you'll be able to set up the specific parameters of the report that you would like to generate. This includes the timescales and also the specific kind of item. You can also filter the results as by customer if you'd like to, for example, check whether or not the customer has successfully paid for a service they are trying to gain access to. Once your filters have been set to your liking, you'll then be ready to click search and produce your results. You can also download the report as an Excel or PDF document. To do this, just click on the export icon. This isn't the only kind of report that you'll have access to by using the Services tab. All reporting tools have essentially the same format as what we've just looked at. They'll all provide a list of data, the majority of which offer an ability to filter the results for viewing ease. The other reports you'll be able to see in the Services tab are as follows. In Shopping Baskets. This report contains a list of contracts, services, products and training courses that customers have in their shopping baskets that are awaiting approval or checking out. This is a key report that will clue you in on customers that may be undecided about purchasing their services or are having trouble checking out. Orders being processed. This report contains orders that have been recently checked out of the shopping basket and are currently being processed. These orders will not show up in any other financial reports outside of this one. Specific purchased item. This report contains orders filtered by a specific contract, service, product or training course. You can search based on the purchase date or item start date. All purchased items by period is a report that contains all purchased items that started within a specific time period. This report is also fully available via the latest contracts link, but this link functions to essentially cut out the middleman when searching for it. Individual customer purchases. Just like all purchased items by period, this report is also accessible via the latest transaction link, but has its own link here as a convenient shortcut. This report contains all purchases by a specific customer within a particular date period. Group of customer purchases. Here you'll find purchases that were made by a group of customers. This report provides valuable functionality for breaking down academy versus local authority school purchases, as well as tracking MAT's purchases. To generate a transaction report that is specified by school type, this link is the one that you should go to. This is done via the filters. To start with, the date filter should be set to item start date if you want to get an idea of your current set of packages or training and their purchases. Purchases date may include previous year purchases. The item date is the first point of differentiation between local authority schools and academies. The designated period is set against local authority schools' financial year. If pulling data from them, click this. For academies, click the date range which is set to 0109 or current year to 3108 next year. Item type is the filter which you can change to your preference. Site category, or MAT federation, is where you can break down the report to specific school types, groups of school types, and MATs via these options. Back to looking at the other reports that are available, we can then go back to the uptake report. The uptake report generates an Excel matrix of customers and the total income of each contract, service, and product. Essentially, it operates in the same manner as the individual customer purchases, with the additional feature of the automatic download of the Excel document. In Contract Report, here you'll find all the ongoing contracts that your service has to offer. And finally, we come to Outstanding Quotes. The basic information on your service's outstanding quotes will be available on your dashboard. By clicking into this link, you will be able to see this information on quotes that require addressing, but presented in greater detail. And that is it for our internal guide to reporting using the GCCPlus system. We hope that watching this video has been helpful to you. Feel free to check out our inventory of other videos as you may need. Thanks for watching.